So I was a TriStar alumni. I went out into the workforce, worked for a while, decided that I wanted to get into education, and it brought me back here to where it all started for me. My name's Aaron Schmidt. I am the welding instructor here at TriStar. After my first year of just observing, my head started looking into what can we change to improve the program. So the first thing that came to mind when I was looking to advance our process capabilities were machines. Our program demand is through the roof. Since I've been in this role, we've never had less than 25 students apply for the position. I'm looking for the program to max out every year that we have it. In the workforce, you may only be welding one process your whole time that you're there. In the educational field, I'm teaching as many processes and process variations as I can. Because the welding industry is so diverse, I like for students to learn a little bit about a lot. So not having machines capable of that, or as many as I needed, was a real struggle. So having the 300Cs come in to bridge that gap was a great advantage. My relationship with the Lincoln Electric rep was one of the reasons that I chose to go with Lincoln. Support has always been there when needed, even when it's not just coming in to check on things. If I ever have a question, he's always easily available. I have no issues, no complaints. I'm most excited to take this program to the next level. So we actually switched to the Lincoln Electric curriculum this year, so their LEAPS program. It's been a great advantage over what we used previously. So it's really nice to have these different avenues for different learning types, and it's made my job of putting together a lesson plan so much easier. So productivity is up. I see a lot more sparks flying. Students are generally happier. They're happy to have their own material, happy to have their own booths and stay productive way more than they used to. Partnering with Lincoln made my job a lot easier, both from the curriculum standpoint and from the welding machine standpoint. I look forward to all the innovations that are to come.